Here we go. Bacnova finishing off the case of the cup. Get them slicing. Sick puppy. I like it. That's some good commentary right there. Oh, you do, Subi. You know you do. Hey, Miracore, Subi will too, probably for the same reason. Exactly. That is awesome. Exact same reason, Subi. Dang. Sometimes they just... There it goes. Alright. Alright, so I'll get all these off, get everything ready to go, and then open it all. That one actually came off pretty darn easy. Boom. Yeah, I'm recording all these in HD, and you'll be able to watch them later on YouTube. Oh yeah. We never open anything off camera, that way everyone knows where every single box, every single card goes. And what we'll do, Bacnova, is once we get off tonight, I'll start uploading all of our videos from tonight, and they'll be on our YouTube channel. Alright. Oh, the two packs stuck together. There we go. Alright, here we go. Oh, we got a thin one. It must be Ultimate Rookie Auto. Alright, Matt Sundin to $3.99. And Riley Smith to $99. Ultimate Rookie Autograph. Another one. Oh, sticky. Oh, this is something different. Thomas Vanek to $3.99. And Yammer Yager. Ultimate Sigs. Yammer Yager. So nice looking this year. Nugent Hopkins to $3.99. And ooh, sick. To 100, debut threads patch, Jakob Silfverberg. Debut threads patch, Jakob Silfverberg. Let's get those where I can pick them up easier. Alright, here we go. 10 number 1. They keep doing that. Getting air in them. Another gold card. Brodeur to $2.49. Oh, that's sweet. Phil Esposito to $25. Old school. Esposito jersey to $25 on the back. Oh, dang. Akeem Alou. Rookie patch auto. Very nice. So we got green, white, yellow, black, blue. 5 colors. Akeem Alou, 5 colors. 249. That's just disgusting. Bobby Hull gold to 25. Oh boy. Sven Berchi, rookie patch auto gold, numbered 30 of 47. Berchi gold to 47. Very nice. And, oh wow, 12 of 15. Cup Foundations quad auto, Taylor Hall. Cup Foundations quad auto, Taylor Hall. Wow, that was a killer. Another good 10. This case has been ridiculous. I think you have another gold card in here. I think you do. Man, this case has been ridiculous. All right, Ron Francis, 249. Cup Foundations quad jersey to 25, PK Subban. Rookie patch auto 3-color to 249, Shea Genoa. 3-color RPA. Let's go to the back. Mike Connolly, rookie gold to 25. It's got like a little, maybe a little glue up here or something. Uh-oh. Dual signature patches numbered 8 of 35. Dustin Brown and Simone Gagne. 8 of 35. Dual signature patches. Oh boy. We got a sweet card next. It's not a hockey card. These are so awesome. Here you go. Tribute rookie autograph. Jason Kidd. Numbered 8 of 10. Crosby tribute, Jason Kidd. 8 of 10. Very tough to pull. Very tough to pull. Here we go, another gold card. What the heck? I think every box, except for one in this case, had a gold. Oh yeah, that's another collected set there. Because they've been doing that for a while. Crosby to 249. Dalton Prute to 249, rookie patch autograph, 3-color. Jeff Carter to 25, gold base. Rookie patch auto of UC Rhinus to 249, 2-color, with a fat seam right there. UC Rhinus. I don't know which one to do. I want to make it exciting for you. Let's go this way. Doesn't really matter which way we go. It's solid. Limited logos to 50. That is sick. Old logo. Michael Gouillet. I'm terrible with his name. It's like flaking off. I'm not even going to touch it. And let's see if this is autoed. Nick's going to like this one. It is number 2 of 15 Cup Foundations quad jersey auto, Chris Kreider. 2 of 15, Chris Kreider. Bacnova. There you have it, sir.